There is somebody sleeping inside of the truck. Who is this? Who the fuck is this lady? Hello? Excuse me? Hello? Ma'am. What are you doing in my truck? What are you doing inside of my truck? Could you please get out?
No.
You want to get out of the truck? Or I might have to call 911 because I'm at work and I can't have you in my truck.
Okay, so we're gonna go.
I don't know what you're talking about. I'm gonna call the police.
So we're gonna go.
Here, you have to get out.
So we're gonna go, Ezra.
I don't know who you are.
I'm Shannon. Gypsy's niece.
I don't know who Gypsy is. Would you please get out of my truck or I might have to call the law enforcement?